Hello everyone, today I show you how to hard reset LeTV2 pattern lock. Remove forgot pattern lock. First, power off the phone. After power off, press and hold the volume up button and power button. You will see a LeEco recovery menu. Hold the volume up button. Then select clear data. Go back. And untick update system, then start. Recovery was started, clearing all user data. Clearing cache. Format was completed. Then tap on the restart button. The format was completed. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.